All right. Welcome to my video. Welcome to my garage. Welcome. Anyways, so let's just go ahead and hop into it. So these are the files that I have. So I have like a public that holds my CSS code. I have my views, which has my EJS stuff for my main web page. And then I have my .evn, app.gs, and then I have this package stuff right here. So yeah, I'll just hop into it real quick. We'll just start with the styles because that's just where I'm at right now. So this is, I'm styling my page. I did use some AI for this because I wouldn't want to write this out myself. So this is roughly what it does. It just makes the page look a lot better than it did before I asked AI to make it look better. So that's basically what that is. And then right here is my homepage. So I decided to add a homepage to the skills check because I thought it would make it look a little bit more professional. So like right here, just like welcomes the trainer, good stuff. Explore like how the stats of all the Pokemon. And then right here, I have like a nested JS stuff going on right here. So for like the fun facts, that's kind of what the section is doing, which I'll explain when I run my code and you can see the web page. What it does is it generates 3 random Pokemon stats and kind of tells you a little bit about them briefly. Anyway, so that's what that section's doing. And then right here, I just added like 3 different boxes. Some of them are puns. I have a knock joke right here. Anyways, and then this just sends us to our next page. This is our index.ejs. So it's similar thing. So I guess on the last one, so like we have our class stuff, which calls to our .js files just for styling purposes. So that's kind of what this section's doing. Anyways, and then what this whole page was supposed to do is supposed to have like the data set on one side, so we could look at it pretty easily, and then like a little search bar, so we could search up a different Pokemon if we want. And then it's the same thing right here where we have the nested JS stuff going on, which will pull the stats of a certain Pokemon that we're asking for. And then this part's just to like show us the results after we've searched one. So yeah, let me just hurry and run the code and then I'll explain these other ones so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so start. Give it a second. Okay, let me just drag this over so you guys can see it. All right, so this is like the home page. This is the random 3 Pokemon that it does, and it's randomized. And I'll actually show you how that works here in a second. So every time you reload the page, it should bring you a different Pokemon. So that's how that works. These buttons right here will take us to our data set, so we can either do either of these 3 buttons. So we'll just go with that one. This is what the index.ejs file looks like when it's posted. So we'll show you like the different Pokemon that we could choose from and their stats. There's also an error reader. I can't remember if I actually went and showed you guys that. And then let's just throw in a random Pokemon. This is the results page right here. It looks pretty good. Anyways, return home, bring it back here. So that's what that overall looks like. Sorry, and scrap that. Sweet. And then to access the database, made a .env file. Right here, this is like the port. This is the database name, password, super secure. My username, all that good stuff. And then right here, we got our JavaScript file. So I'll just go briefly over this part real quick. That's how long oh yeah, we're starting to get pretty long. Anyway, so just imported what I needed to run PJ admin as well as the EVN, the env folder as well as Express from the web page. This part just trying to think of the right word for it, calls the information from the EVN onto our GS or our JS script or our JavaScript folder that we got here. And then this is just JavaScript that this is what I was talking about. So this runs the query to randomly generate the Pokemon that I was showing earlier. This part right here just displays the Pokemon in the data set on the right side. And yeah, I think, the ports, this makes it so we can actually click and get to our page, all the good stuff. Hopefully that's enough information for you guys. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully y'all are having a good weekend and watching the game. Yeah, peace out.